how to make a cat? We can make a cat using this pink Play-Doh right here. Okay, so first we're going to start with the body of the cat. Okay, what do? We make the circle. If you have a surface, if you're doing the table, you can use the table for support. So you can, instead of using both hands, just try to make it on the table. Go all sides. Oh, excuse me, I'm sorry. I'm going to make like a little bit like a cylinder, okay? It's going to shape a little bit like this. I don't want to be too spheric. I want to be a little bit straight. So this will be cat's body. I'm going to make it a little bit more round here. You can make it like this. Looks like a gun. I feel like I want to have a gun. Here, we're going to make the head of the cat. We make a circle. We can use the table today for support. It's pretty easy because it's just to make the circle, but a little bit oval shape. Okay? And then here, you press your finger a little bit just to make like this. Now we're going to make the ears of the cat. They are very small, but we're going to make it good. So we're going to use the tip of our fingers, and then here, and a little triangle, and a little triangle. I want to have a cat with a very big tail, so I'm going to make the tail here. Now I'm going to make his small legs. I can put it all together here, so it looks more natural. Meow, 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 meow. Wait, you're not done yet. Another leg. It has 1, 2, 3. Okay. It is done? No, I have to make one more, right? What do you think? 1, 2, 3, 4. So one is missing. How is your doing there? Show me. You're doing with me? Let's put our cats together. My cat is pink. What color is your cat? Oh, his belly here. I think he likes it. See you next class. Bye. I will send you a kiss with my cat.